हॅलो स्टुडंट, आपण स्टडी करणार आहोत चॅप्टर नंबर 6 दॅट इज द ड्रग ॲक्टिंग ऑन अ सेंट्रल नर्वस सिस्टीम. पण त्याआधी तुम्हाला CNSची ॲनाटॉमी अँड फिजिओलॉजी माहीत असली पाहिजे. मागच्या वर्षी तुम्हाला HEPमध्ये CNSची ॲनाटॉमी अँड फिजिओलॉजी शिकवली असेल. आपण त्याचाच ओव्हरलुक घेणार आहोत. द नर्वस सिस्टीम लिंक अ व्हेरियस सिस्टीम, coordinate all their activities and ensure the integrity of organism. It regulates the activity of different organ and the entire organism. In a conjunction with the endocrine system, it control the function of human body. म्हणजे नर्वस सिस्टीम ही कोऑर्डिनेट करते व्हेरियस सिस्टीमला आणि त्यांचं फंक्शन मॉनिटर करते किंवा ऑर्गनाइज करते आणि कंट्रोल पण करते त्यांच्या फंक्शनला आणि ह्युमन बॉडीचा फंक्शन रेग्युलेट करते. तर नर्वस सिस्टीमचे दोन टाईप आहे, सेंट्रल नर्वस सिस्टीम आणि पेरिफेरल नर्वस सिस्टीम. सेंट्रल नर्वस सिस्टीम काय कन्सिस्ट करते? ब्रेन आणि स्पायनल कॉर्ड. तर पेरिफेरल नर्वस सिस्टीममध्ये काय? तर 31 पेअर ऑफ स्पायनल नर्व, 12 स्पायनल नर्व फ्रॉम अ स्पायनल कॉर्ड आणि 12 पेअर ऑफ क्रॅनियल नर्व अरायझिंग फ्रॉम ब्रेन. आणि थर्ड वन इज अ ऑटोनॉमिक नर्वस सिस्टीम. ऑटोनॉमिक नर्वस सिस्टीम परत दोन पार्टमध्ये डिवाइड होते, सिम्पॅथेटिक नर्वस सिस्टीम आणि पॅरासिम्पॅथेटिक नर्वस सिस्टीम. सेंट्रल नर्वस सिस्टीम आणि ऑटोनॉमिक नर्वस सिस्टीमचे आपण डिफरन्स बघू. तर सेंट्रल नर्वस सिस्टीम ही रिलेटेड असते सेन्सरी आणि मोटार ॲक्टिव्हिटीसाठी आणि CNS ही पर्सनला ॲडजस्ट करते विथ एक्सटर्नल एन्व्हायरमेंट आणि द फंक्शन ऑफ CNS ऑकर्स अकॉर्डिंग टू द विल पॉवर ऑफ द पर्सन. आणि CNS supplies nerve to a skeletal muscle and sensory nerve carry impulses from senses organ to the brain. The autonomic nervous system is related with the activity of the heart, various gland and smooth muscle. It enables the person to adjust with the internal environment. The function of autonomic nervous system do not occur according to a willpower of the person. It supplies the nerve to a smooth muscle of a visceral organ, that is the uterus, uterine tube, bronchi, trachea and heart and the glands. The central nervous system consists of brain and spinal cord. The peripheral nervous system consists of nerves outgoing from and incoming to the central nervous system. Those which carry impulses to a CNS form an afferent system and those carry impulses to a muscle and gland form a efferent system. The efferent nerve carrying impulses to the skeletal muscle are named as a somatic nerve, and the efferent nerve carrying impulses to a smooth muscle and gland form a autonomic nervous system. This is our two division of autonomic nervous system, sympathetic nervous system and a parasympathetic nervous system. CNS consists of brain and spinal cord. The main part of brain are a cerebrum, diencephalon, brainstem and cerebellum. नर्वस टिश्यूमध्ये आपण स्टडी करणार आहोत Nervous tissue consists of vast number of units called as a neuron. The neuron are the structural and functional unit of the nervous system. The various part आहे न्यूरॉनचे, that is the dendrites, nerve cell, axon and nerve ending. Nerve cell, it varies in a size and cannot be seen with the naked eye. Axon also called a nerve fiber. Axon act करता as a insulator, protects the axon from pressure of a injury. Dendrites काम काय आहे? They are a nerve fiber which carry impulses towards the nerve cell. आपण बघणार आहोत ब्रेन. The peripheral part of brain is made up of gray matter and medulla of the brain is made up of white matter. The brain and the spinal cord are completely surrounded by a three meninges or a membrane which lie between a skull and brain. They are named as a dura mater, arachnoid matter and pia mater. क्लासिफिकेशन आहे ब्रेनचं, डिवाइड केलं जातं ते सेरिब्रल हेमिस्फिअर, डायनेसेफलॉनचे दोन पार्ट, थॅलामस आणि हायपोथॅलामस. ब्रेन स्टेममध्ये मिड ब्रेन, पॉन्स आणि मेडुला. लास्ट इज द सेरिब्रम आणि लास्टला आहे स्पायनल कॉर्ड. पार्ट्स ऑफ द ब्रेन, दॅट इज द सेरिब्रम. The cerebrum constitutes of large part of the brain. It is divided into equal part by a central longitudinal fissure. The two parts form are the right and the left cerebral hemisphere. These two hemispheres are internally connected by a mass of a white matter known as a corpus callosum. The cerebral cortex is made up of gray matter. Each hemisphere of a cerebrum is divided for a descriptive purpose into lobes called as a frontal lobe, parietal lobe, temporal lobes and occipital lobes. व्हेरियस लोब, फ्रंटल लोब, परायटल लोब, ऑसिपिटल लोब आणि टेम्परल लोब. Specialized area of a cerebrum. Somatic sensory area receive impulses from the body's sensory receptor. Primary motor area send impulses to a skeletal muscle. Broca area involved in our ability to speak. फंक्शन काय आहे सेरिब्रमचं, तर सेन्सरी फंक्शन. इट इन्क्लूड अ परसेप्शन ऑफ पेन, टेम्परेचर, टच अँड अ स्पेशल सेन्स ऑफ साइट, hearing, taste and smell impulses from a sensory organ. They are carried to a cerebrum where interpretation of sense take place and response is given accordingly. Second function आहे motor function. It is associated with the initiation and control of a voluntary muscle contraction. Third function आहे cerebrumचा association. It include all mental activity like memory, intelligence, sense of responsibility, reasoning, moral sense and learning are attributed to the higher center. Sensory and motor area of the cerebral cortex. Specialized area of a cerebrum. Cerebral area involved in a specialized sense. Visual, auditory area, olfactory area. Interpretation area of cerebrum. It includes the all mental activity like a memory, intelligence, sense of responsibility, reasoning, moral sense and learning are attributed to the higher center. Cerebral cortex. Motor area in the cerebral cortex govern the muscular movement. Sensory area is a concern with the interpretation of a sensory impulses. Associated area are concerned with the emotional and intellectual process. Executive functioning capability. Gray matter of neurons, cell bodies, dendrites, short unmelated axon. No fiber tract. 2 to 4 mm thick. The mind changes the brain throughout the life, where the brain activation occurs, synapse happen when a pay attention and focus mind, neural flaring occurs and brain structure changes. Synapses are formed. Human connection impact neural connections, ongoing experience and learning include the interpersonal ones. सेकंड आहे डायनेसेफ्लॉन. इट कन्सिस्ट ऑफ थॅलॅमस आणि हायपोथॅलॅमस. आणि थर्ड आहे इपिथॅलॅमस. आपण बघणार आहोत थॅलॅमस. थॅलॅमस इट कंटेन न्यूक्लिया दॅट ॲक्ट as a relay station for a sensory impulses except smell to the cerebral cortex. It also concerned with the recognition of pain and temperature. Two large lobes of a gray matter over the zone nuclei laterally enclose the third ventricle. Gateway to a cerebral cortex. Every part of brain that communicates with the cerebral cortex relay a single signal through a nucleus in the thalamus. Example, certain nucleus for info from a retina, another from ear. Processing, editing occurs also in the thalamus. सेकंड त्याचा डायनेसेफ्लॉनमध्ये सेकंड आहे हायपोथॅलॅमस. हायपोथॅलॅमस इट कंट्रोल ऑटोनॉमिक नर्वस सिस्टीम. इट ऑल्सो कंट्रोल बॉडी टेम्परेचर, रेग्युलेट फूड अँड फ्लूइड इनटेक अँड मेंटेन वेकिंग स्टेट अँड स्लीपिंग पॅटर्न. फॉर्म्स inferior walls of third ventricle, many named a nuclei. हायपोथॅलॅमस हा बिलो असतो थॅलॅमसच्या. द मेन व्हिसरल कंट्रोल सेंटर, ऑटोनॉमिक नर्वस सिस्टीम, पेरिफेरल मोटर न्यूरॉन कंट्रोलिंग द स्मूथ अँड कार्डियाक मसल अँड ग्लँड सिक्रिशन, हार्ट रेट, ब्लड प्रेशर, गॅस्ट्रोइंटेस्टिनल ट्रॅक्ट, स्वेट अँड सलायव्हरी ग्लँड. इमोशनल रिस्पॉन्सेस लाईक प्लेजर, rage, sex drive, fear. Body temperature, hunger, thirst sensation, some behavior. Regulation of sleep wake center. Control of endocrine system through a pituitary gland involves with the other sites in the formation of a memory. आपण बघणार आहोत थर्ड ब्रेनचा थर्ड पार्ट, ब्रेन स्टेम. ब्रेन स्टेम कन्सिस्ट ऑफ मिड ब्रेन, पॉन, व्हॅरोली अँड अ मेडुला ऑब्लांगेटा. मिड ब्रेन इट कन्सिस्ट ऑफ द पॉन्स विथ अ डायनेसेफ्लॉन. इट रेग्युलेट द ऑडिटरी अँड व्हिज्युअल रिफ्लेक्सेस. Pons varioly, it relay the impulses from a cerebral cortex to the cerebellum related to a voluntary skeletal movement. It reticular formation of pons help to control respiration. Medulla oblongata, it contains nuclei that are a reflex center for a regulation of heart rate, respiration rate, vasoconstriction, swallowing, coughing, vomiting and sneezing. मिड ब्रेन, मी सांगितलं तुम्हाला मिड ब्रेन कनेक्ट असतं पॉन्स विथ अ डायसेफ्लॉन आणि हे रेग्युलेट करतं ऑडिटरी आणि व्हिज्युअल रिफ्लेक्सला. पॉन्स He relays the impulses from a cerebral cortex to the cerebellum related to a voluntary skeletal movement. आणि the reticular formation of pons help to control respiration. Medulla oblongata, it contains nuclei that reflect the center for a regulation of heart rate, respiration rate, vasoconstriction, swallowing, coughing, vomiting and sneezing. Relay sensory info to a cerebral cortex, and a cerebellum contains a many CN and other nuclei. Autonomic center controlling the heart rate, respiratory rhythm, blood pressure, involuntary center, vomiting, swallowing, etc. Cerebellum, it coordinates the skeletal muscle, maintain normal muscle tone and body equilibrium. Cerebellum, it is situated behind the pons varii and immediately below the posterior portion of a cerebrum. It performs the following function: it maintains the muscle tone, it controls and coordinates the movement of muscles, ensuring smooth, even and a precise action. It coordinates the activity associated with the maintenance of balance and the equilibrium of the body. Function of a cerebrum: smooth, coordinate and fine-tune bodily movement, help maintain a body posture, help in maintain equilibrium. How? Gets info from a cerebrum, movement being a plane. Gets info from an inner ear, that is the equilibrium. Gets info from a proprioceptor, sensory receptor, informing where a parts of the body actually are. Using a feedback, adjustment are made. Also some role in a cognition. Damage: ataxia, incoordination, wide base gait, overshooting, proprioception problem. आणि लास्ट आपण स्टडी करणार आहोत स्पायनल कॉर्ड. It is an elongated and almost cylindrical part of the central nervous system. It reflects movement and controls the muscle tone. It is situated in the neuronal canal of a vertebral column and extended from a attal above to the first lumbar vertebra below. It continues with the medulla oblongata above. It is about a 45 cm long and is about a thickness a little finger. It is surrounded by a dura, arachnoid and a pia mater. Cerebrospinal fluid is present in the central canal of a spinal cord and the subarachnoid space. The spinal cord is a link of a nervous tissue between a brain and other organ of the body. The nerves conveying impulses from and the nerve to the organ enter and leave the spinal cord at the appropriate level and convey the impulses. 31 pairs of nerves arise from a spinal cord, which are known as a spinal nerves. Each nerve has a posterior and an anterior nerve root. Many nerves arise at the level of a second lumbar vertebral which passes downward and enters the vertebral column. They look like a horse tail and are called the cauda equina. These nerves leaves the neural canal at the appropriate level. The transverse section of a spinal cord show that it is composed of gray matter in the center surrounded by a white matter. The gray matter is arranged in the form of letter H, showing anterior and posterior horns of gray matter. In the center, there is a canal called a central canal which contains a cerebrospinal fluid. The gray matter of a spinal cord contains nerve cells which link the sensory and motor neuron in the formation of a reflex. Spinal nerve, part of the peripheral nervous system. 31 pair attached to a dorsal and ventral roots lie in an intervertebral foramen. Protection. Bone meninges. Meninges म्हणजे मेम्ब्रेन. सेरेब्रोस्पायनल फ्लूइड. ड्युरा मॅटर, आर्कोनाइड मॅटर आणि पिया मॅटर. आउटर असतं ड्युरा मॅटर, मिडल असतं आर्कोनाइड मॅटर आणि इनर असतं पिया मॅटर. 3 पोटेन्शियल स्पेस असतात. इपिड्युरल, आउटसाइड द ड्युरा, सबड्युरल बिटवीन ड्युरा अँड आर्कोनाइड आणि सब आर्कोनाइड डीप टू द आर्कोनाइड. ड्युरा मॅटर it is a fibrous covering over the brain and spinal cord. It has a 2 membrane which are in a close contact with each other, except at the 4 different places where they are seen to be separated from each other. The 4 places are a cerebral hemisphere to form a flux cerebri, cerebellar hemisphere to form a flux cerebrum and a cerebellum to form a tentorium cerebella. Behind the cerebellum between the 2 cerebral hemisphere. Arachnoid matter, it is a delicate serous membrane situated between the dura mater and a pia mater. It is separated from a dura mater by a subdural space and from the pia mater by a subarachnoid space. Subarachnoid space. The subarachnoid space contains a cerebrospinal fluid. Pia mater, it is a fine vascular membrane, consists mainly of blood vessel supported by a fine connective tissue. In general, the functions of a meninges are to protect and support the nervous tissue and to supply blood and nourishment to the central nervous system. Spinal cord anatomy. Posterior median, anterior median, white matter and gray matter. Gray, white in a spinal cord. Hollow central cavity. Posterior horn of gray matter. It is composed of nerve cells which are stimulated by a sensory nerve impulses from a periphery of the body. The nerve fiber of this cell which contribute to form a white matter transmit the impulses to the brain. The white matter is arranged in the following 3 bands. Lateral band, anterior band and posterior band. Spinal cord anatomy. Gray commissure with a central column of gray running the length of the spinal cord. Function आहे it is a means of connection between peripheral organ and the brain. White matter of the spinal cord. Ascending fiber, sensory information from a sensory neuron of the body up to the brain. Descending fiber, motor instruction from a brain to the spinal cord. Stimulate contraction of the body muscle, stimulate the secretion from a body glands. Commissural fibers, white matter fiber crossing from one side of the cord to the other. Most pathway crosses at the same point, most synapses 2 or 3 times along the way. Example in a brainstem, thalamus or other. Blood-brain barrier. Cerebral blood vessels are unique in that the junction between a vascular endothelial cell are nearly fused. The paucity of pores is responsible for what is termed the blood-brain barrier. This lipid barrier allows the passage of lipid-soluble substance but restricts the movement of those that are ionized or have a large molecular weight. Movement of given substance across the blood-brain barrier, its size, charge, lipid solubility, and degree of protein binding in a blood. Carbon dioxide, oxygen, and lipid soluble substance such as most anesthetic freely enter into the brain. Water move freely across the blood-brain barrier, but the movement of even small ion is impeded to some extent. As a result, rapid changes in a plasma electrolyte concentration and secondarily osmolality produces the transit osmotic gradient between plasma and the brain. Acute hypertonicity of plasma results in the net movement of water out of the brain, whereas acute hypotonicity causes the net movement of water into the brain. These effects are short-lived as equilibration eventually occurs, but when marked, they are cause a rapid fluid shift in the brain. Thus, abnormalities in a serum body sodium or a glucose concentration should generally be corrected. Cerebrospinal fluid. The CSF is formed and secreted into each ventricle of the brain by its choroid plexus. CSF is a clear, slightly alkaline fluid with a specific gravity of 1.005 and consists of water, amino acid, glucose, mineral salt, and urea containing a small amount. In normal hydrostatic pressure of CSF is about 130 mm of water. From the roof of fourth ventricle of CSF flow through the two foramen, the medial and lateral foramen, into a subarachnoid space and completely surround the brain and the spinal cord. It also flows from the floor of fourth ventricle downwards through the central of the spinal cord. The CSF is reabsorbed into the blood capillary in the arachnoid matter and this way is returned into the circulating blood. CSF is found in the cerebral ventricles and cisterns and the subarachnoid space surrounding the brain and spinal cord. फंक्शन आहे Function of a cerebrospinal fluid. It support and protect the delicate structure of brain and spinal cord. It maintains the uniform pressure around these delicate structures. It acts as a cushion and a shock absorber for a brain and spinal cord. It keeps the brain and spinal cord moist as there may be a interchanges of a substance between the fluid and nerve cell. तर हे आपण ॲनाटॉमी आणि फिजिओलॉजी बघितली सेंट्रल नर्वस सिस्टीमची. तुम्ही HAPचं निराली प्रकाशनचं SBBC आणि AV यादव यांचं बुक आहे, ते स्टडी करून घ्या, वाचून घ्या, बघून घ्या काय काय आहे त्यात. आणि फार्माकोलॉजी आणि टॉक्सिकोलॉजीसाठी निराली प्रकाशनचं डॉक्टर AV यादव यांचं बुक आहे, ते रेफर करा. थँक्यू.